welcome to our journey of detoxifying your home naturally. In today's fast-paced world, the air we breathe and the surfaces we touch can harbor hidden toxins that impact our health. Detoxifying your living space is not just a trend, it's a vital step towards creating a healthier environment for you and your loved ones. We'll explore creative and practical tips that will surprise you, from using everyday ingredients to transform your home into a sanctuary. So, stay tuned as we uncover unexpected insights that will empower you to take charge of your space and enhance your well-being. Let's dive into the art of natural detoxification. Did you know that certain houseplants can be your best allies in detoxifying indoor air? Plants like the spider plant and peace lily are not just beautiful additions to your home. They are also champions of air purification. These green wonders absorb harmful toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, effectively improving your indoor air quality. The spider plant is easy to care for and thrives in various conditions, while the peace lily adds a touch of elegance and blooms stunning white flowers. By incorporating these plants into your living spaces, you can create a healthier environment that promotes well-being. So, why not bring a little greenery into your home today? Cleaning your home doesn't have to involve harsh chemicals. Let's explore some simple, effective recipes for non-toxic cleaning solutions using everyday ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. For an all-purpose cleaner, mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. For tough stains, create a paste with baking soda and water, applying it to the area and scrubbing gently. Lemon juice can be used to freshen up surfaces and eliminate odors. By avoiding chemical cleaners, you not only protect your health but also contribute to a safer environment. So why not give these natural solutions a try for a cleaner, healthier home? Decluttering is more than just tidying up. It's a vital practice for both mental and physical health. Clutter can contribute to feelings of stress and anxiety, making it difficult to focus and relax in your own space. By regularly decluttering, you create a serene environment that promotes peace of mind. One effective method is the Marie Kondo technique, which encourages you to keep only those items that spark joy. Start small by tackling one area at a time, and soon you'll notice a significant difference in your mood and energy. Embrace the freedom that comes with a decluttered space and enjoy a more harmonious living environment. Essential oils are a fantastic way to enhance your home's ambience while promoting health and well-being. Oils like lavender and tea tree are particularly known for their purifying properties. Lavender not only adds a calming scent, but also helps reduce stress, while tea tree oil is a powerful natural disinfectant. You can use these oils in various ways, such as adding a few drops to a diffuser, or creating your own DIY spray by mixing water and essential oils in a bottle. Exploring the benefits of aromatherapy can transform your living space into a refreshing sanctuary. So why not start incorporating essential oils into your daily routine today? Maximizing natural light in your home can significantly enhance your mood and energy levels. Exposure to sunlight boosts serotonin production, which can help reduce feelings of depression and increase overall happiness. To enhance the natural light in your space, consider using mirrors to reflect light and brighten darker areas. Light, as sheer curtains, can also allow more sunlight to filter in while maintaining privacy. Additionally, keeping windows clean and unobstructed can make a world of difference. By creating brighter, more inviting spaces, you'll not only improve your home's atmosphere, but also promote a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. So let the sun shine in and enjoy the benefits. Incorporate natural fabrics. Using natural materials in your home decor is essential for creating a healthier living environment. Fabrics like cotton, linen, and wool are not only sustainable but also breathable and hypoallergenic, making them ideal choices for your home. Unlike synthetic fabrics, which can emit harmful chemicals and contribute to indoor air pollution, natural textiles promote better air quality and comfort. By opting for healthier options, you can reduce exposure to toxins while enjoying the durability and aesthetic appeal of natural materials. So as you refresh your space, consider incorporating these eco-friendly fabrics into your decor for a more inviting and health-conscious home. Your well-being will thank you. Implement a no-shoe policy. Adopting a no-shoe policy in your home can significantly enhance your indoor health and cleanliness. Shoes often carry dirt, bacteria, and toxins from the outside world, which can contribute to poor air quality and health issues. By keeping shoes out of your living spaces, you can reduce the amount of grime and allergens that enter your home. Consider providing indoor slippers for family and guests or designating a specific area for shoes near the entrance. This simple habit not only promotes a cleaner environment, but also creates a more inviting atmosphere. So why not give it a try and enjoy the benefits of a shoe-free home? Use natural pest control. Managing pests in your home doesn't have to involve harmful chemicals. Natural repellents like peppermint oil and diatomaceous earth are effective alternatives that can help keep unwanted guests at bay. Peppermint oil can deter ants and spiders, while diatomaceous earth works by dehydrating insects, making it a safe option for your home. Maintaining a pest-free environment is crucial for your health and peace of mind, and using eco-friendly methods ensures that you're not introducing toxins into your living space. So, explore these natural pest control options and create a safer, healthier home for you and your family. Embrace the power of nature in your pest management strategy. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the vital importance of detoxifying your living spaces for overall well-being. From using houseplants for air purification to creating natural cleaning solutions, each tip contributes to a healthier home environment. We also discussed the benefits of maximizing natural light, incorporating natural fabrics, and implementing a no-shoe policy to enhance your indoor atmosphere. By adopting these simple yet effective strategies, you can significantly improve your quality of life. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who may benefit. Together, let's create healthier, happier homes for everyone. Thank you for watching.